Oh, sorry, do you feel that? It's snowing. During this big nor'easter. How much snow are we getting? We'll see. I love this little beast. Right, Ted? It's still snowing. You can barely see the rock. It's peeking out. Look, it's like walling us in. Look at that. Look at that. Who loves snow? Mike, do you love snow? Do you love snow? He lies. He likes snow. He loves it. Champions! Dad? Special. I love you. What are you doing? What are you doing, huh, mister? What are you doing on this snow day? Ted's in the window watching the snow fall. The rock is now completely covered. Wow. Still snowing outside. Well, a little crazy outside. Okay. You can barely see it in the video, but it's there. We're gonna get snowed in, guys. It's just gonna creep up. And then... we're getting so much snow! Ah! Mike, we're getting so much snow!
Round 2.
Round 2 of what? Oh, God. Okay.
Trying to get this string.
Round 2. I hope this works. Look at Jack just sitting there.
Hey, Master, what are you doing?
Let's see. Oh, look, someone helped us a little bit.
Did that?
Mike, look at it. Not really. Like, they only went like partial of the way. They didn't go right to the door. Oh. Look at this. Oh, God, yes. Oh, my goodness, look at the rock. Kind of want to go outside, but I kind of don't want to. I want to stay inside and be warm. What do you think?
If only we had hot chocolate.
Well, you want to truck to the store? Take a walk to the store? You know, some are still open. Oh no, Ted, run!
He's over captured.
Ted, you can still run. I have faith. This is working very well. He spaced them apart nicely. Oh, it looks actually kind of cute and cozy in there. Some heat is coming off of it. Ooh, the flakes are a little more bigger now. It's sparkling. It's like a vampire. This is what being on the ground floor looks like when there's a snowstorm. We're gonna get snowed in. Look at the flakes, Mike. Look.
I made ice cream.
Fatty. It's like big chunks now. Let's take a look at the other window now. Look. Now that's just from the driveway right there. Look that way. But getting a lot of snow. And now I'm gonna enjoy my ice cream and watch some vlogs. with a shark. While we enjoy 2 heaters, because Mike, he's very impatient. And our 2 boys are out. Hi, Ted. Hi, Jack. You're so cute. You're so cute. Ted, you want some meat? You want some meat? You want some meat? Come on, let's get some meat. You want some meat? You're not coming down. I'm not giving you meat. Hey. Hey. Listen to me. You have the cutest look. Do you want some meat?
I didn't make
Little
it.
baby?
Did you make it, Matt?
Do you want some meat? Come on, let's get some meat. Come on. Holy mother of pearl. Let's look at the snow. Look at the snow out there.
You didn't make a jump?
On the window.
It's
I
still
feel
snowing?
Yeah.
Still heavy?
No, not really heavy. It's snowing a little bit. Look at that snow. It looks so fluffy. I just want to run in and kick it up.
Too bad of a race.
And then let's look at this over here. Whoa. We're gonna be buried.
Bitch, Matt. Of course you're
Mike, we're gonna be buried alive.
Yeah, I do.
Do you want some meat? Are you ready for your meat? Yeah. Eat your meat.
I feel like you will if you...
You're such a good boy, Ted. I love you. With all the snow, it makes me really
Okay.
excited for summer. Oh my god, I want to go jumping right now.
Fuck that.
But I won't. We're making mac and cheese, boiling some water. Because it's late.
Mac and cheese.
Decided I'm just gonna make my stir fry
DJ,
tomorrow.
it's crazy.
Hi, Mike. You're so creepy. Oh, I'm gonna go to bed. Mike, what's your tip of the day today?
Do not forget to tell everyone around you how much you care about them and love them, because you never know when it might be their last day. Well, whenever last time it's even lost. I don't know.
Good. If you enjoyed this stay inside snow day vlog, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, hi! Hit that subscribe button. You can see us every day. And keep staying positive. Have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Jack, I'm gonna get you. Get Jack.
I thought his eyes just on.
That was an awesome pounce. Let me get the nuts.